All right, so some rain chances. We need it desperately. We're in extreme drought, and that is going to continue. These are not great chances, but we take anything we can get. Outside tonight, it is Monday. 1 down and 4 to go until the weekend now, right? Looking at the Quarry Market, we've got the stacks purple tonight for International Epilepsy Day. In fact, for resources and education, reach out to the Epilepsy Foundation of Central and South Texas. Tonight, mostly clear and 68, so technically temperatures still above the average high for this time of year. South and southeast wind about 13, and the dew point because of that wind has been on the rise. More and more moisture. All right, so we should be stopping at 67. Look at this, 20 degrees above average when you get to Pearsall, Cotulla. Look at the Eagle Pass and Carrizo Springs flirting with 90 on February 9th. Incredible. 85 Seguin, 86 up at the state capitol, 83 here in San Antonio. Is it a record? Well, from San Antonio International, not too close. I mean, we're still several degrees from it. 1962, and we were at 91 on this day. 51 degrees earlier this morning, should even be a little bit cooler. All right, let's talk about dew point and temperature. Remember, the relationship between these two numbers is relative humidity. So our dew point, and I stopped the clock at 7 a.m. Tuesday at 57. Now, if we take a look at the temperature, the actual air temperature, it's expected to cool to its dew point, 57. When those numbers match, that means 100% relative humidity. In other words, the atmosphere is saturated. We are expecting that tomorrow at 7 a.m., so that's why we're expecting fog to develop. And visibility could be as low as half a mile or less. And that's from San Marcos into the city, west on 10 to Kerrville, out Highway 90 into, say, Hondo, even farther to Uvalde or Del Rio. So a weather impact alert for Tuesday morning. The impact is patchy, dense fog. What you need to do is allow extra time, just leave a little early. There could even be a little bit of misty drizzle that sometimes shows up with fog as well. So some good mid and upper level moisture, mainly north of us, waiting for this area of low pressure that's over the Baja right in here that will eject out, give us some instability, some good lift, and get us a line of showers to develop. Now, here's what's interesting. Two models that will not agree on this. The first of which says we are missing out. Here's tomorrow night. A few showers will come together overnight until Wednesday morning at 4 a.m., but they'll be east of San Antonio, and we miss out. The second model says we get some of this rain, and it could be as early as the afternoon hours. Here's 3 o'clock tomorrow in a couple of areas of light rain, and then you can oversee Bandera to Hondo, but then more measurable around Rock Springs, all pushing towards the city with better coverage almost about this time tomorrow night, say 9 or 10 p.m., couple of heavier downpours out to the west, and then rolling through in the overnight hours and definitely out by mid-morning Wednesday at the latest. We're hopeful, right? Going with a 30% chance overall. Now, looking ahead to Saturday, the second system that is hopefully offering up some rain is going to actually throw most of the heavier rain north, and we're going to be on the southern fringe of this. So in both cases, we're not looking at 70 or 80% rain chances by any stretch. The probability is low, but our hope and our prayers are high, right? All right, so some fog tomorrow morning for a weather impact alert till about 10 a.m., then 76. Rain chances best tomorrow night late into early Wednesday, then sunny and 77 for Wednesday afternoon. Thursday, 81, and then we'll bring in the rain chance after Friday's 82 on Valentine's Day. So it's right now 30 to 40%. Don't forget, let's rodeo San Antonio. Thursday the 12th is day one, and it's 81. In fact, a lot of 80s and a lot of dry on this 14-day forecast.